Do you want to know how you can delete posts in threads? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your posts in threads. Go ahead and open Threads, which is on your phone. Now click on your profile, which is you can see on the bottom right hand corner. Tap on it and you can see that your posts are here. Now to delete it, go ahead and tap on the three lines of the post and you can see the delete option on the bottom right hand corner. Go ahead and click delete, press delete again, and you might notice that your post has been deleted. So all you need to do is go to your profile, tap on the post, the three lines button which you have, and then click delete. This way you can delete your post on Threads. I hope this video about how you can delete your posts on Threads was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.